Antaray, may pa-Pegasus. Wala akong masabi. Ang bongga. As in. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Let's beat the green light. Tama ba? Let's beat the green light. Kumusta kayong lahat? Annyeonghaseyo. This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Incheon, South Korea. Today is officially our last day for our 10-day trip na covered ng Korea Tourism Organization. So naghiwalay na tayo guys. We already part ways with our co-creators. Ito na! Ang ganda. Itong Paradise City guys, ito yung paradise sa Singles Inferno. Dati ko pa ito gusto ma-experience eh. Kapit lang sa hotel natin, ayan yung Grand Hyatt. Like tapat lang ng Grand Hyatt itong Paradise Hotel. Paradise Resort. Oh, may ano sila. Pa-fountain. In the morning. Super love the weather today. Yan no, Paradise City. Social lang hangin guys, nakakasosyal. Quick info lang guys. This is located in Incheon, as in halos tapat lang ng airport. Ilang minutes lang to papuntang airport. Paradise City is the first global integrated resort. Anong ibig sabihin ng global integrated resort? With world-class facilities. Ang taray ng entrance guys. Ang kabog. Like, wow. Napapanood lang natin to sa Singles Inferno. And we're here. Dito sila inahatid. Let's go. Let's find our friends. Ay, antaray, may pa-Pegasus. Ang bango ng hotel. Ganito guys, pagpasok, itong bungad. Ang taray. Dito yung check-in. Like, wow. Wala akong masabi. Ang bongga. As in. Grabe. May pumpkin dito, guys. Lakas maka-Cinderella ng papumpkin sa gitna. Paradise City sign. Where are you? Medyo nawawala-wala tayo guys. Ganito palang feeling talaga ng isang 5-star hotel sa Korea. Like grand kung grand. And then yung mga cast ng Singles Inferno Season 2. I believe Season 2 yun, yung Paradise. Dito yun. Yung mga favorite ko, sina Sejun, sina Nadine. Nanonood ba kayo noon, Singles Infernos? A dating show. Tapos yung konsepto niya, they shouldn't tell each other their personal information, their details, how old they are, anong trabaho nila. Madidiscover lang nila yung age or other details nila, trabaho, once they get to date each other. Once mag-match sila. Na-enjoy ko yung Singles Inferno. Kinikilig ako. And kinikilig ako. Ano siya eh, parang real life, diba? Real life kilig. Diretso lang tayo. Wow. Wow. This is nice. Uy, ang taray. Wait lang. Para kong dinala sa ibang mundo. Ang ganda pala dito. Buti nagpunta tayo dito. Para din siyang museum. Bilang malapit na lang din naman sa hotel natin, nareko nung tour guide natin na si Jade, our Oma, na magpunta na tayo dito sa Paradise City. Let's go! Paradise Art Space. Ang laki niya, no? Parang kanina pa tayo naglalakad. Uy, may exhibit. So dito may mga ano din, bilihan ng mga damit. Pwede kayo mag-shopping dito. It's a city. So I think this is designed talaga na everything is here. Para yung mga nagsastay dito, di na lumabas. Imagine kung dito kayo nagsastay, pwede na kayo mag-shopping before your flight. Kasi malapit lang yung airport dito. Hello! Yay! It's so nice here.
So good, right?
Yeah, so good. Like I was taking pictures there.
We are in the paradise.
We're in the paradise. Wow. Pwede tayong gumuhit dito, guys. Let's draw here. May installation. Cute. Ang cute naman ng art na to. So nice. And then there's more. Ang ganda. Wait lang, ang ganda. Ang laki. It is very, may pagka-European yung disenyo niya. It reminds me of Europe. Yes. Anong nasa Europe? Yung Galleria something, yung first ever mall sa Europe or in the world. Ay, ang cute naman ni Kuya. Anyang charing. So, gallery art fair. Okay, so iba't ibang artist, guys. I love that they're able to provide space for artists. Eto, may cafe dito. Pwede akong tumambay dito. Paul Bassett. Masarap yung matcha dyan. Ito, ay joke, pistachio pala yan. Pero I love the matcha here. Meron pang second floor. So, ang daming pwedeng kainan dito, guys. Mga pang snack-snack. Ito naman, for lunch, heavy meal. Sana kahit papaano, no, nadadala ko kayo dito. Sayang di tayo dito naka-check-in. Feeling ko ang mahal. Pero mahal din naman yung iba nating check-inan. So, courtesy of Korea Tourism Organization. Pasok pa tayo sa area na to. Anong meron doon? Talagang suyurin natin ang kasuluk-sulukan ng Paradise City. This is another cafe. Tapos sa labas, greenery. Greenery. So, may malaking space with grass. Na-appreciate nyo ba siya, guys? Minimalist lang yung CR. Oh. This one's a nice food hall. Oh. May pagka-garden ang kanyang style. Ang aliwalas, guys, dito. I love the vibe. Like, I think I can just stay here the whole day and just tour around the area. Yeah. More tour. Okay. Ano dito? May greenery. Mini park. And then look. Oh. Ganda ng hangin. Yung mga ganitong bagay lang, tambay lang ako sa park, namnamin ko lang yung hangin. Masaya na ako doon. As long as nasa Korea tayo, ang hangin ng Korea yung nanamnam natin. Diba? I don't need to spend a lot of money to enjoy my trips. Kaya diba, lagi tayong nag-hostel or guest house kasi tinutulugan ko lang naman siya. Yung isang gastos ko sa isang 5-star hotel, pang isang Korea trip ko na yun, may sobra pa. Ganong levels. Ang cool yan. Nakaka-aesthetic. Lamig. Wow. Park Seo-joon. Park Seo-joon is the brand ambassador. Look. Lagi natin tong nakikita sa airport, itong Paradise City. Yung ads sa airport. Pogi. Look guys, it's Park Seo-joon. Ayan, pwede tayong magsulat-sulat dito, mag-drawing. May freedom art board. Sonjaya! Pogi naman ni Byun Wosok. Wild. Okay guys, that's a quick tour of the Paradise City. Tara na, let's go to the hotel because my friend is waiting for me. We're gonna go to Hongdae together. Punta kami sa hotel. Oh, we're gonna go to Hongdae together. Iwan niya yung mga maleta niya sa akin. Okay? Sa guest house. So, nakapagbabay na rin tayo sa friend nating si Celine. Eh, na-meet natin jowa niya. Sikat sila actually sa Philippines. May mga followers na kilala sila. So, it's nice to see them together in person. Thank you, K-drama couple. You have fans from the Philippines. Bye-bye. So guys, this is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. I hope you had a taste of paradise here in Paradise City. Lamig. Can we cross? It's stop. It's red.